Today, we've curated 13 home gadgets that will instantly upgrade your life. And trust me, once you see these, you're gonna wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's dive in. First up is the 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger dock. This little powerhouse is a total game changer for anyone drowning in cables. You can charge your phone, your smartwatch, and your earbuds, all at the same time, all in one spot. Plus, it folds up, so it's crazy easy to travel with. Whether it's on your nightstand or in your carry-on, it keeps everything charged and ready for whatever the day throws at you. Next, the Poru USB wall charger with a built-in surge protector is like giving your outlets a superpower. It turns one basic outlet into 6, plus 2 USB ports, so you can plug in everything you need without fighting for space. Laptops, phones, lamps, you name it. And with surge protection built in, you don't have to stress every time there's a storm or power surge. Next, the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading LED task lamp. This clever gadget clips right onto your monitor and bathes your desk in just the right amount of light. No glare, no bulky desk lamps taking up space. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature to suit your mood. It's an instant productivity booster that also happens to look super sleek. Next, the Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock. Instead of jolting you awake with a blaring sound, this clock simulates a natural sunrise. The light gradually gets brighter, gently waking you up just like Mother Nature intended. It makes mornings feel way less brutal and way more zen. It also has soothing natural sounds if you want to ditch the standard alarm altogether. Next, the Flame Air Diffuser Humidifier is a total mood lifter. It combines cool mist humidifying with essential oil aromatherapy, and the flame effect light gives it a cozy vibe that's perfect for unwinding at the end of a long day. Your skin stays hydrated, your room smells amazing, and your whole place feels a little more magical. Next, the Nespresso Aerochino 3 Milk Frother is about to make your mornings so much better. With just the push of a button, it froths your milk into a rich, creamy dream. Hot or cold, it nails it every time. That means cafe-quality lattes and cappuccinos without ever having to leave the house or wait in line. Next, the Beast Mighty 850 Plus blender. It whips up silky smoothies, creamy soups, and even nut butters with barely any effort. Plus, it looks so good on the counter that you'll actually want to leave it out. It's fast, easy, and a major boost to your healthy lifestyle goals. Next, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. Imagine coming home and having dinner practically make itself. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, it handles it all. You can throw in your ingredients, set it, and go about your day. It's like having your own personal chef who also happens to clean up really easily afterward. Next, the Ninja 12-in-1 Double Oven with Flex Door will be your new best friend. 2 separate ovens, totally independent controls, so you can bake cookies on top while roasting dinner below. No more heating up a massive oven just for a small meal. It's smarter, faster, and makes cooking way more fun. Next, the Bissell Steam Mop. This lightweight wonder heats up fast and uses the power of steam to clean and sanitize your floors. No chemicals needed. It's safe for kids, pets, and it leaves everything sparkling without any sticky residue. With it, you can ditch those heavy buckets of dirty water forever. Next, the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner saves the day. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and it's ready to tackle everything from muddy paw prints to coffee spills. You just spray, scrub, and vacuum it all away. It's the secret weapon every home should have, especially if you've got kids or pets. Next, the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is where it's at. It uses a laser to reveal dust you can't even see with the naked eye, so you know you're getting the deepest clean possible. It's super lightweight, the battery life is awesome, and it automatically adjusts suction depending on the floor type. Once you try it, there's no going back. And finally, the FLEXISPOT V9 3-in-1 exercise bike is an underdesk bike and workstation all-in-one. You can pedal away while answering emails, watching Netflix, or even attending Zoom meetings. It's whisper quiet, fully adjustable, and seriously comfortable. It turns I don't have time to work out into, hey, I'm already working out. And there you have it. 13 gadgets that seriously will make your life better. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.